Round Sound Radio, Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Hecate, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Righty, and another absolute tunage coming right at you by Maisie Wiley with Don't Give Up. Is it Don't Give Up? Yeah, Don't Give Up, yeah. It was Don't Give Up on Me. Shut up, Doug. Okay. Oh, it is, sorry, it is Don't Give Up on Me. Oh, it's been a long day, guys. It's been a long day. Anyway, this is an absolute tune, guys. Do get it listened and do get it shared. This, again, you know, it's been in our charts now for, I think, about 6 weeks. So to be in there for 26 weeks, that's impressive, isn't it? It's impressive in its own right. Tune. I do absolutely love that tune by Maisie Wiley. Very Motown indeed. My kind of shit, that, mate. I could well imagine dancing around the living room in my stilettos to that all day long. Right, guys, another tune that's fell out of the top 20 this week. It started off really, really good as well. It was well up there. It is David Bluey Scott with The Unknown Soldier. Have a go with this. This is a lovely tune, this. If you're patriotic, then you're going to love this. This is called The Unknown Soldier. David Bluey Scott. Bloody silence in the intro.
My name is Tommy Englishman, and I'm going to a fight. The unappreciated at the front with all their might. So I signed up for adventure, got my Bible in my hand, my bayonets on my rifle, I'm off to no man's land. I've heard some gruesome stories, hope we make it home alive. They took me to the front line, I could not believe my eyes. Well, I found your sons and fathers, and they're piled up 5 feet high. When the corporal blows his whistle, son, you better learn to run. Go over the top, don't turn around, he may kill you with his gun. 500,000 soldiers could not hide, they were blown into the wind. 900,000 soldiers died, 10,000 angels cried. When they brought home these heroes, there were young boys dressed up as men. They were never to be seen again. This war will end all wars. 70,000 lame, 9,000 would never see again. And the broken hearts and broken minds inside his brave but gallant men. He said, oh, you'll remember them. And those shell-shocked souls who toil the streets with shaky bones, twisted arms and shaking legs, hoping that you'll still see some pride left inside of them. I'm crawling through the mud, and I'm sleeping with the corpses, and I'm bathing in their blood. The Maxim's in the dead zone, and it's preaching its command. Bullets pass right through me. Now the Reaper has choked my hand. Oh Lord, please forgive them. They know not what they've done.
Righty, and we have a tune up next for you by Billy Kelly with By the Time I Get to Bootle. This is an absolutely lovely tune, this. I've just decided I'm going to locate one of Steve Thompson's latest tracks out as well, which is a bit of a dance song, and we're going to give you a clip of one of the Hype Minstrels tunes. He was in the Live Lounge on Sunday. Absolutely lovely chap, really was. One of them fellas full of wisdom, you know what I mean, they just can't help but listen to. Totally nice geezer. But for now, this is Billy Kelly, By the Time I Get to Bootle. Don't forget, guys, get on our Facebook and give it a share.
Alum High Road, I'm dying to hit that M1 road that takes me home. I've made some great friends in the city, but I just got a hankering for home. Those tall and rusty cranes on the dock road, shadows are rich and plentiful days, replaced by new and shiny big boats. I guess sometimes you gotta change your way. Those lime street arches welcome like an old face, the rhythmic sound of that old railroad track, the beat that drives the heart of this city, driving on but always glancing back. By the time I get to Boodle, I'll be flying on a Hawthorne road, ain't no penny lane. But by the time I get to Boodle, I'll be dying to walk those busy streets just once again. I'm coming home, I'm coming home, I'm coming home. The Dockers Duke, Atlantic and the Green Man, sawdust on the floor and Aussie whites. Saturday night's alright for fighting lads, but baby we'll just sing some songs tonight. By the time I get to Boodle, I'll be flying. I know Hawthorne Road ain't no penny lane. By the time I get to Boodle, I'll be dying to walk those busy streets just once again. By the time I get to Boodle, I'll be flying. I know Hawthorne Road ain't no penny lane. By the time I get to Boodle, I'll be dying to walk those busy streets just once again. I'm coming home, I'm coming home, I'm coming home, I'm coming home, I'm coming home.
We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town, round town. We play the best tunes, all the right songs, right around town, round town radio. All your classics, touching the new, unsound original music. Add a little humor, add a little madness. Welcome to Round Town Radio. And another track, guys, that's done pretty well so far, but has slipped into the last 26. It is Shoes for Breaks with I Can See the Sky. This was recorded at Park Street Studios. Had these lads in the Live Lounge before now as well. Really, really top lads. I'm hoping to get out and see them very shortly. There's that many acts and that many bands that I really want to get out and see, but, you know, I work full time, I do a radio show, I'm bloody plugging events, I'm doing this and doing that. But yeah, I will make time, lads, and I'll be out very, very shortly. This is I Can See the Sky, Shoes for Breaks.
We were drifting, cloud was lifting, need to cover our stars. We were cruising, we were losing our direction in the dark. Oh, I swear I could see something